If you'd asked me 40 years ago when I was an undergrad at U of G if I'd be standing here today, I would never have believed it. And yet, somehow here I am, and I am so grateful, and I couldn't be prouder. The University of Guelph stands on the precipice of reaching its full potential as a top-tier university. We need to embrace who we've become and let it fuel our growth and our prominence. That growth is dependent on a dual mindset, both academic and enterprise. A mindset that drives sustainability, generates revenue, and helps secure the resources we need to be bold and lead big things. At the same time, our success relies on our student success and our ability to continue to offer the student experience and community we are known for. And that is why we'll need to rely on all of you, all of us, the people who make U of G what it is. And I feel that as much as anyone. Together, we can show leadership in what it means to run a modern university, one where our students, staff, and faculty thrive. U of G is well positioned to lead in our province, across Canada, and globally. Through the strength of our research and by educating and training the leaders and innovators of tomorrow. We are ready. I know our best days are ahead of us, and together we will seize them. Thank you.